Welcome to Daily English Conversations. Today we are going to practice English through a natural conversation about a busy evening after work. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence, and try to copy the natural rhythm and intonation. Let's begin today's conversation.
Hey, Jack, you look tired today. How was your day?
It was a long day, but I'm finally home. I just want to relax.
I know that feeling. What do you usually do when you get home?
First, I take off my shoes, make some tea, and sit on the sofa for a few minutes.
That sounds relaxing. Do you cook dinner or order food?
Most of the time, I cook. I'm trying to eat healthier these days.
Really? What's your favorite thing to cook?
I love making pasta. It's easy, delicious, and doesn't take much time.
What do you do after dinner?
I usually watch a short video, read a few pages of a book, or practice English.
That's a great habit. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30. I like to sleep early because I want to wake up feeling fresh.
Sounds like you have a balanced life.
I try my best. Small habits make a big difference.
Great job! You have completed a real daily English conversation about busy evening after work. Keep practicing every day, and remember, small habits make a big difference. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice English with us every day. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next conversation.